Welcome back, YouTube, man. It's a great day to be different. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to show you guys how to be different. We're going to start the debulking process with the two closed against the grain. Just for an even, nice, smooth, even debulking process. Then we're going to throw that one guard all the way open with the grain. And we're going to lay it down nice and smooth. I'm not going to go all the way down because I know I'm going to bald out right here. So there's no point in me knocking all that bulk down. Usually I would use my trimmer right here for the balding process, but these were I was doing a review on these clippers, so we put these things to work. We're gonna bald that out nice and smooth. Next step, no guard all the way open. We're gonna go up about an inch, clear all that bulk out. Make sure go over it a couple times, make sure it's nice and even. Then we're gonna snap on that one guard. Second notch, go up about another inch. As you can see, we're not setting in another hard guideline. We're gonna rub that out. We're gonna go ahead and start flicking that at the top. No need for another guideline. Yes, sir. Easy day. Then we're gonna throw on that 0.5, that half guard. We're gonna start closed, start working our way up. This technique right here, man, some textures just require a different technique. And this right here, this technique is called the claw method. This helps you lay the hair down. And also it allows you to start fading early in the process. You can see it debulked and it started blending. Some areas that are a little bit darker, some areas that I need to lay down a little bit better, we're gonna hit it with the claw method. As you can see, it's already pretty much coming together. Detail work. It's really detail work from here on out the rest of the cut. The 0.5 guard, man, that's a serious guard. You guys learn how to work that 0.5 guard. I think this is the most important guard to me. That 0.5, that half guard. You learn to work that, man, you can go from a no guard all the way open, basically up into a one guard all the way open, all in between there. So from a half all the way to a 1.5, you can detail with just the 0.5 guard, as you saw right there. Then we're gonna snap off that 0.5 guard, no guard. We're gonna start from closed and work our way up. The higher you go up, the more you wanna open the lever. Learn your techniques. This right here is a feather technique where you're using just mainly your corners. That's all you really need for the detail process. We're not gonna push the line up. We're not gonna move the line. We're just gonna displace that line. So by doing that, in order to do that, you just wanna use your corners. We're gonna notch it out, feather it out. As you can see, that fade, it's pretty much coming together. No issues. Hitting the dark spots, using that brush. If you ain't got a brush at this point in your barber industry, in your barber game, and you cutting hair, you might as well put them clippers down and walk on up out the door, man, because you hit it, brush it, hit it, brush it, hit it, brush, man. You can see that fade. It's pretty much there. So now we're gonna attack the edge up. I didn't use any spritz or anything, so this is just a natural edge up. When you got some hitters, you don't necessarily always need spritz. Trying to create an edge up. This is not an easy task. All the barbers out there, you guys know that this was not easy. But we got it done. Yes, sir. Put that pencil on there just for some contour. And putting on that line, it's gonna show you some things that you missed. Just hit a little bit of detail. Make sure it's nice and contoured. Then we're gonna smack some enhancements on it. As you can see, his front edge up is naturally patchy. So what we're gonna do to fill that in is we're gonna throw some enhancements on it. There you go. Fill in those patchy spots. Don't forget to hit the vertical bar. That way it blends into the darker top. Hit them with some hot sauce. This allows me to get rid of any overspray and also push that pencil to create that razor effect. As you can see right here with the wet pencil, we're just gonna push that over with my hitters, make the pencil a little bit more skinnier to create a razor effect without having to pull out a razor blade. And then we're gonna hit the top line again just to get rid of whatever excess spray of the enhancements. So you can see right there, boom. Different. That compared to the other side is what he walked in with. Man. Sheesh. And this is how he's leaving. Whew. Yeah, that's crazy right there. Real simple. What I did to one side, he threw it to the other, man. Yes, sir. Look at that angle. Appreciate y'all for staying tuned. Like, share, subscribe. Whatever you gotta do to keep me on your timeline, man. Appreciate y'all. Peace.